Now, what I want to first show you is how to connect. This is an F plug. It's a compression type, and I'm going to fix it to a coax cable, as you would expect. Right, so I'm going to cut approximately 2 centimeters. Doesn't have to be that much. If you are restricted in the amount of that you can cut, then obviously you can cut a lot less. But I'm cutting that much just so I can demonstrate to you what I'm doing. So I'm now taking back what's called the braid. It's the screen to stop the signal from escaping. Now I'll show you in a second what I mean. I'm going to cut off this foil, silver foil. It's not really silver, only in colour. It's made out of aluminium. I'm just going to trim that up there. I'm having about that much on there. There are many ways of putting this on. Different manufacturers tell you how to do it differently. I don't seem to have a problem doing it this way around. If anybody else knows a better way, then please message me. Message me, not message me. Alright, so now I'm going to cut. This is what's called the dielectric. Excuse my dirty hands. I've been trying to fix a motor of my son's. So this is the dielectric here. If I can show you it in detail. Where's the camera? There it is. Alright, that's the dielectric. And this here is the copper core. Put it down this way you can see it a bit more. The copper core. Over the top. Through the middle. And trim that off to start with. Now you've got to push it right in so that the dielectric, if you can see it, I keep pointing to the wrong camera. There it is there. I need to push it in a bit further. There it is there. Okay. Now, some of them don't want anything coming out of it at all. And some want a nice long piece. I'm happy, and my customers don't seem to complain, having 2 millimeters, 3 millimeters poking out. Right, let's come back a bit further. Now, I'm fixing it into a hole, pushing it into a hole there, pushing it over, and that should fit in place there, like so. This is how I can get the camera in the right place. I'm going to squeeze this here. It's a bit difficult when doing it this way around. Let's see what you're doing. And there it is there. That's it there. And it also has a rubber washer, ring, grommet, that will reduce the amount of water that penetrates it if it happens to be outside. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and I would be most grateful if you could subscribe. Thank you very much, and goodbye.